So, what is heartburn? Heartburn is a burning pain that occurs in the chest, hence the name. It is most common right after a meal and in the evening, and generally worsens when laying or bending down. It can vary from being a lightly noticeable annoyance to a severely scorching pain. Heartburn occurs when the lower esophageal sphincter, which is a muscular band, becomes weak or relaxes at inappropriate times, allowing stomach acid to travel back up the esophagus. This process is known as acid reflux, and the feeling it causes is rather aptly named heartburn. What are some natural heartburn helpers? Many people, myself included, are diagnosed with severe acid reflux every year. Many of these people don't want to introduce typically prescribed acid-reducing drugs such as ranitidine and omeprazole, and would instead prefer to keep their systems clean. What many of these folks do not know is that there are natural foods and substances that can help heartburn immensely. Note that the effects of apple cider vinegar are fairly well known and therefore will not be discussed in this presentation. So, what are some natural heartburn helpers? We will focus on pickle juice, aloe vera, and chewing gum. All right, pickle juice. Interestingly, pickle juice is a natural heartburn remedy. This seems unlikely since pickles are, well, pickled in vinegar, which has a high pH, and many spices. However, this remedy works for many people, myself included. Like many things, it depends on the person. Some have reported worsening heartburn after drinking the pickle juice, whereas others have said their heartburn vanished instantaneously. One theory as to why pickle juice helps is the sodium content. Salt helps to neutralize acids, and dill pickles contain a lot of sodium. Dill pickle juice is my personal favorite natural heartburn remedy, but to each his own. Next is aloe vera. Aloe vera juice has proven to be a very helpful natural remedy for heartburn in many people. It is important to be careful and buy the correct type of aloe vera product. Aloe latex is a laxative, which is most certainly not going to be helpful to an individual's heartburn. Instead, buy purified aloe vera juice meant for internal use. It will be colorless. It is important that when beginning this remedy, you slowly ease yourself into the recommended 2 to 3 ounces of aloe juice before meals or as needed. Begin with 1 ounce and work your way up to 2 or 3. Drinking too much too fast can cause diarrhea. Do be careful and always research new home remedies. For example, aloe vera should not be taken when pregnant or breastfeeding, or if one has Crohn's disease, hemorrhoids, or ulcerative colitis. Don't take it while on certain medications, and stop taking it 2 weeks before any surgeries to avoid a potential decrease in blood clotting abilities. This remedy helps many people every day, but it is important to do thorough research on every home remedy, especially ones that involve foods or juices that your body may not be used to. Chewing gum. Yes, strangely enough, chewing gum has proved to be an excellent heartburn stopper. As you chew gum, extra saliva is created. Saliva is an acid buffer, so the more you chew gum, the more saliva you produce and swallow, and the less acid reflux and heartburn you experience. The extra swallowing is helpful as it pushes the acids back down out of the esophagus. It is important, however, to get sugar-free gum. This will allow you to chew as much as you want to prevent heartburn while also protecting your teeth. So, which is best? This all depends on the person. For me, pickle juice is a great remedy. For others, aloe vera or chewing gum may do the trick. For a lucky few, all of the above work splendidly. If you are struggling with heartburn, do some research on each of the options to see which would work best for you. Make sure to check that these home remedies are okay to use if you are pregnant or have any medical condition of any type. Once you've found your natural helper, you can once again enjoy the foods you've missed out on due to searing chest pain, in moderation, of course. Now please enjoy my works cited page. Isn't it fascinating? Thanks for listening, guys.